guys, so I bought this chicken. It's a defrosting. So good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day. I know it's raining guys, but yeah, it's been raining since yesterday. I actually had plans for today, so I need to cancel them. And I don't know what we're going to do today guys. I hate spending time indoors after coming here to actually spend time outdoors, okay? But it is what it is. The weather is not playing with us, with our plans. So guys, I just woke up. I think it's like 8:05. Like I woke up a little bit earlier, but so the whole night since yesterday at 8 p.m. there's no electricity and we don't have internet. Like I cannot even upload a video for you guys. So I did edit a few videos and I'm yet to upload them as soon as the internet comes. So I was hoping by today morning it's going to be back, but no, it's not. So yeah, as you can see, it's a total mess in here, although I cleaned this place recently. So we're going to like clean here, maybe make breakfast. We're going to see guys, and I'm going to look for something that you can actually do even though the weather is kind of, you know, it's muddy outside, it's rainy, it's all that stuff guys. So I'm going to kind of put the stuff that I bought away. We went groceries, veggie groceries recently. I hope to post video maybe before or after this, so that you guys can see what we bought. My spinach and coriander are screaming drought. Like they're drying up. Let me show you guys the other side. Don't mind our kitchen. So the light here is not like the best, but this is our kitchen that I'm yet to clean guys. Okay, I need to clean and put the veggies away. So guys, it's in the afternoon. Tell me why I'm still feeling tired, even though I'm not in Germany, guys. Tell me why. Tell me why. So I used to blame Germany for my tiredness. And I've now been here for some days, still feeling tired. I've done nothing. Nothing. I just had breakfast, like late breakfast. So from today on, we blame it on our age, guys. So Kenyans abroad, it's not the abroad that's making you tired. It's you. Maybe the COVID, I don't know. Feeling so tired, guys. Anyway, I'm about to do a new video, guys. I don't know where to vlog at. So stay tuned. I'm going to be talking to you and yep. So guys, so let me show you what we bought. Like, this is a mini grocery haul, guys, don't mind. And the background noise is my husband watching the TV. So it's like kitchen and sitting room. There's nothing we can do about it, so so let's get started, guys. So since groceries are so expensive in Nairobi, Kenya, we actually decided to do like day-to-day cooking and all that. So let me show you guys. So by the time we go back to Germany, we're going to be like as poor as hell. Guys, so I bought this chicken. It's a defrosting. This is called capon, guys. Capon. Guys, let me know if you're a Kenyan, if this is a good chicken. So we bought this because it was the cheapest, and that is going to be my husband's dinner. And with that is going to be having a bajia. Was ist das?
Fürs Hähnchen, das tropft.
Ist schon fertig.
Ich wollte einen Witz machen.
Muss ich eh noch sauber machen. So we got bajias for my husband to be eating with the chicken, and these ones were going for 205 Kenyan shillings. Guys, let me see if we can get a little taste of that. I've not had bajias in like the longest time ever, and I think buying potatoes would have been much cheaper than the bajias, but I want him to have that Kenyan experience, guys. So it comes with tomato sauce, chili sauce, tomato sauce, salt, and this fork. Okay, so let's see. That's how they look inside. I know you guys can't see much because of the light, but they're cold, but they're good. What's the problem? So you want to try some chili sauce oder Tomatensauce?
Ach, da sind Soßen dabei?
Ja.
Oh.
Willst du Soße drauf?
Hast du schon eins auf?
Nee.
Nee, dann ess so.
Chili, Tomate?
Ich esse erst so und dann später zum Essen.
Nein, nimm
ja,
eins.
Mach Tomate.
Tomate kannst du mir im Kühlschrank geben.
Da mach, ja. Ich habe auf dem Video drauf.
Okay. It's good, but I think you need to warm it. So guys, let's continue with that one. So we bought this club portion. The other sodas were much expensive, so we bought this one, and we already had some of it. Then I bought some mixed herbs. I don't know how to put this light for you guys to see what I'm doing. A little bit there maybe, I don't know. Let me know how the light is, guys. So the mixed herbs, because we want to make some salad tonight for my husband, and this is the salad that we bought. This one was 80 something Kenya shillings, 85 or something. So we need to actually make that today because we don't want to waste food, guys. Food here is expensive. Kenyans, how do you survive? How do you survive in this country? I cannot even afford to live a week here if I never worked or we never worked, because things here are expensive. So for me, I bought this goat leg. He said it's goat meat. I know it's goat meat, but we got the goat leg for your C's, because I want in Germany getting goat meat is like going to the mass. Okay, so if you live in Germany and you're watching this today, I'm eating goat meat. I know if you are an African, we do shop in African shops and they do have goat meat, but it's so expensive. Like a kilo in Germany is like 13 euros, 13.99 euros, and here a kilo actually goes for 1,050 Kenya shillings. So these ones that I bought was like 660 Kenya shillings. Okay, then we bought the cheapest wines around. Guys, don't charge us. That is the wine we're drinking tonight. So we're just living the minimal basic life. Then we bought another huge cucumber because of the salad. Then I bought 2 more carrots. The other ones I actually used them. So we have 2 carrots. We have more beetroots. I will be juicing tomorrow, guys, so stay tuned if you want to see that. Today's groceries was not a lot.